First class, you will learn about document and setting and the basic tools you will use. You will click on file and then you will take new. You will give the name to your file because we will discuss interface today. So that I am writing interface. Whatever file you want to, whatever name you want to give to your file, you can. Then the document type you will select. You can take international papers, US papers, or photos. Up to you, whatever you want to select. You can also change the size of the paper. If you want to customize, you can take by your own whatever you want to take. Take the resolution more than 150. Then this is the color mode. I will suggest to use RGB and CMYK because that will give you good printing result. Then you will click on background, and then background I will suggest you to take a white, and then later on you can do changes, and then okay. When you will click on OK, you will see the page. Here we have all tools of Photoshop. This is a menu toolbar, and whatever tool we will select, the more options of that tool we will see over here. Here you can see, right? So, uh, if you want to change the color of your background, this is a foreground color and this is a background color. Want to change the background color, you will click on the color and then you will take your background, whatever you want to take, right? And then press Alt backspace for the foreground color and Control backspace for the background color. One more thing I want to discuss, this is a layer and this is a layer panel basically. Okay? So whenever you are designing anything else for the different object or for the different shape, I will suggest you to take new layer. So if you want to do some changes on it, that will be helpful for you. So you will select only your layer and then you will make change, right? Here I am going to design a scenery by using the simple basic tools. First I will take a new layer, then I will take a shape. Sometime a layer will be generated automatically and sometime it's not. So if it is not generated, so then you can take by your own. If it is generated, so it's good. I have changed the fill color and then I am going to close the option of stove. So then you can see that already I have the sun, and I don't have any stroke or any line over there, right? Now one more thing you can do, that you can use different more options if you want to. Like I am using the brush tool. By using the brush tool, when you will click on the brush tool, you will see the different brush over here and more brushes over here. So it's up to you, whatever you want to select, right? I am taking this brush and I'm changing the color of my brush. I'm taking green, and here I have, sorry, yes, and here I can change the color of my brush and I can apply that brush on my screen. All right, so today we discussed different tools, menu toolbar, properties of the tools, and the layer panel. We'll discuss more in our next videos.